I did not find this in my neighborhood, so I decided to make this myself and to make a video so you guys can enjoy this beautiful drink with me. Let's get started. So for that, we need some ginger, lemon, just a little bit of turmeric, sugar, water. Let's get started. Now guys, we're gonna put the ginger in the mixer and a little bit of water and the sugar. And now I'm gonna ask my mom to blend this. Now guys, we have blended the ginger, but as you know, we added some sugar in it. But if you guys don't want to add the sugar, you can add jaggery or honey. But anyways, now we're gonna put this in a big bowl. And now the pinch of turmeric in it. And now we have some water. We're gonna put that in the blender so we can take the left out ginger out. And now we're gonna boil this. Now we are heating this up, and we have to heat this up until this starts to boil. Now guys, this has started to boil. That means the ginger's nutrition has started to come in our water. So that means we're gonna turn off the burner and we're gonna strain this in a smaller bowl. Now guys, we have strained this, and now this is about for 10 drinks, so we can use this for a couple of days. But today we're gonna make just 3 glasses, but we're gonna put the rest for tomorrow. Now guys, we have to add the honey in to give this a beautiful taste. Now guys, we have some crushed ice and a little bit of mint leaves for our flavor. And we're gonna add just a little bit of lemon juice in each glass as per our taste. Now we're gonna put the ginger base. Just a little bit of it. Now we're gonna add the soda. Now guys, our ginger ale is ready. It is really yummy, really healthy. So now I can't wait to taste this. Very refreshing, very healthy, very refreshing. Guys, I think that would be it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers.